late at night. Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What is up, everybody? It's your girl D. I just got off work and I was driving home and I stopped at Walgreens to get some nails because I wanted to do my nails. So I went to go get some press-on nails. These are the nails that I got. But while I was there, I seen a couple other things that look interesting. So I just wanted to show them to you guys. So I went to Walgreens. I got these Kiss brand nails. If you watch my monthly favorites video, like, I swear by these. I live by these. Like, these are just, these nails are legit. Like, they last up to 2 to 3 weeks. They don't pop off. They don't chip. They don't bend. They are bomb. Like, why waste your money getting your nails done at the salon when these are, I swear to you, they're just as good. Kiss brand, this brand is like my favorite brand. Like, I love this brand because all their products I use work bomb. Like, I love this brand. So when I was in that little section, I saw that they had these. And I've been wanting to get my lashes done for the longest. Like, I want individuals so bad. I want lash extensions. My eyes are fucking big and I think they would look good with lash extensions. I feel like I would look like a doll. I've been wanting to get my lashes done for so long. Like, it's expensive though. Like, I can't find anyone to do them because I see girls that I work with, they have like lash extensions, but they like either like they pay like $100 to get them, and then the refills are like $50, and the lashes are only lasting like not that long, like they're falling off, and I didn't want to waste a lot of money on lash extensions. That's why I've been kind of like hesitant to go ahead and have it done. I want lash extensions. I want my eyebrows microbladed. So I picked this up at the store because it would look interesting. So this is from the Kiss brand, and this is new beautiful brow stamp, and it's like literally a stamp for your eyebrows. So I don't know if this will give me like a stencil to like shade in so I don't have to try so hard to shape my brows and use concealer and shit, because my brows grow crazy and right now I need to have them plucked. I need to go get them threaded. But I just wanted to try this because it looks so interesting. So this is everything that I got from Walgreens. I got these Kiss lashes, I got the brow stamp, and I got freaking nails. So we about to be bad on a budget, okay? While I was out and about, I stopped at Burlington and I found this cute little planner. Isn't this so cute? So I felt like this fit me so well. And it says live, work, and create. It says live, so you know I'm out here, you know, doing me, doing what I do. Work, which, I mean, I'm working now. I went to work today. I go to work every damn day. I be working hard. And it says create, which I create YouTube videos. I create content. I create art. So you know what? When I saw this, I was like, I'm buying that. This is a 2018-2019 planner, and it's a little big. I wanted it a little smaller so it can fit in my purse, but it's so cute. So you can write down like appointments, birthdays. You can write down goals. It has like different sections. And the reason why I got this is because all this space in here, like I can keep track of what day, I can write down what videos I'm gonna post. I just really got this planner to keep track of, like, you know, videos, ideas, dates, times, events. Yeah, I needed this, and this is gonna help me keep track of my videos and everything that I need to do. I do use my phone. I use an app called Trello to organize things, but it's always good to just write shit down. Like, I just need to write shit down. Anyway, though, I'm gonna try to apply these lash extensions. That's what this is going to be. This is what the box looks like. Let me get a little bit closer. You can see I like the way that the lashes look. And this says adhesive sewed separately, so I'm just like, really? And I was looking at Walgreens for the individual adhesive, but I couldn't find it. And they did have another kind of individuals, but that came with the adhesive, but I didn't like the way that the lashes look. They look different from this one. These look darker, thicker, and at the end it's kind of more fluffier, so I feel like they look more natural. The other ones, I didn't like the way they look, but the other ones came with glue, so I was debating just getting both, but I'm like, dude, what if I don't like them? I'm not wasting my money like that. So I just got these ones, and for right now I'm just gonna use this adhesive that I use for my strip lashes, and this adhesive is Kiss too. I freaking love this adhesive for strip lashes just because, number one, it's black, Every time I use the white lash glue, it says that it dries clear. It does not dry clear, dear. Be like white stuff all on your lash line looking like you got pink eye or something. So I prefer black lash glue. So yeah, I'm gonna use this lash glue. I'm gonna try to apply these lashes. Features flat roots for a more natural look. Holds 20 lashes strands in a band. Easier fast application pro results. Tapered ends. Tapered ends mimic actual lashes. Yes, that's why I wanted to get these. So yes, this one is the KLC. I don't know if this is the style right there or not. At the top of the box it says Venus, so I'm assuming that's the name of these particular lashes. So we're gonna apply them. I already took off. I had mascara on earlier, but I already took off my mascara. So we're gonna apply these lashes. There's 60 lashes. That's another reason why I got this one, because the other individuals, they only had 30. It has these little pockets where you can squirt the glue in so you don't get it everywhere. So I'm just gonna squirt some glue up in there. Hopefully I have enough. Oh, that's probably too much, but whatever. I love this lash glue for strip lashes because if you reuse your lashes, like this one, it literally, if you grab a hold of it in the right place, it'll just peel right off like a sticker, and then you can reuse your lashes, and your lashes are like brand new. It's not like real sticky to the lashes. But I'm worried about that because I don't want them to come off of my eye that easy, but whatever. This is just a trial run, we'll see. I'm like an advocate for, you know, looking bad on a budget, so I really want my lash extensions, but hopefully this works out just as good as the nails do, because the nails, I won't, like these nails, I won't go get my nails done at the salon for what? So I'm hoping it's the same thing with these lashes, I get the same results, because I really want lash extensions. So these come with a few different lengths. It comes with a medium and 2 short. I'm gonna try to take my time and do this slowly and neatly, but I don't know, should I start here and then work my way over? I think I will. So I'm gonna take a medium lashy. I just feel like this isn't gonna be the right glue. Trying to put them as close together as I can. I'm using a couple short ones now just to, you know, kind of fill in. And the glue's been sitting here in this tray, so I think that's a good thing, because, you know, you want to wait till the glue gets nice and tacky. Okay, I feel like I'm about to be done. More in the front. Okay, everybody, I'm done. This is what they look like. My thoughts on them so far, I mean, I think they're straight. Like, it just depends on how long they're gonna last me. But I'm not gonna be able to put any eyeshadow on, which I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow anyway, but I'm not putting no eyeshadow on. Well, I mean, I never really had individuals before, so I don't really know what to expect. But it doesn't look like, maybe it's, I don't know. I don't really know what I think right now. Let me know what you guys think about these lashes, these little lash extensions. I don't really know what to think right now. Honestly, I don't know what to think right now. I don't know if I like them. I don't know if I don't like them, which is weird. Like, I just don't know what to think. Anyways, Joe, thank you for watching me play in these lashes. I'll follow up. I'll let y'all know if I like them or not. Y'all know I will. I don't know if I use the right type of glue, because on here, it specifically says strip lash. It doesn't say individuals. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.